Okay, we are here in along the Colinas trail. You can see there's a nice, very nice ravine here we can go through, and I'm going to go from here through a tie line, and we'll see if we can go all the way down to the tree down there. So that's hopefully what we can do here, and we'll see how it works. So let's hook her up. All right, so I'm going to bring her up as high as I can and let her go. All right, she's going. Trying to keep her as taut as possible. Okay, it hit something. All right, so we'll go see what that was. Okay, so she got cut off in this bush here. All right, so I'm gonna see if I can grab her. I need a stick here. Maybe I can go over there, grab the line, and loosen it a little bit. There we go. Okay. Let's see if we can get her. Okay. I think we got her down the hill. Pretty much. No, I don't believe it. What the hell?